You have made people very uneasy, myself included, when it's dark outside and you're dressed the way you're dressed. I, as a female, was a little, I would say, nervous.
They'd like you to leave, Justin.
I can't walk through the, why can't I take care of my business?
What's your business? You got a court case here, you got...
I'm a journalist covering a story.
What's the story?
I don't need to provide my story to you. It's not out yet. I don't want to let the story out yet.
Can you advise him that if he doesn't have official business, he'll be trespassing?
If you want to do your journalism, you can do it out front. You're not allowed
I can't cover a story in the building?
Unless you have business. What is it?
There's a story I'm covering.
What's the story?
Why do you need to see what the story is?
Because you are causing a disturbance in the building. You have made people very uneasy, myself included, when it's dark outside and you're dressed the way you're dressed. I, as a female, was a little, I would say, nervous.
Of photography.
Of your appearance. No, of your appearance.
Oh, photography makes you nervous now.
No, you made me nervous standing in front of the door, okay, so that I couldn't come in. So what I'm saying is there's...
She made it inside, so apparently I didn't.
I'm not the only one, so we need you to leave unless you have official business here.
I do have official business.
You don't have official business. Do you have a court case? If you are a journalist here, you need to file a media request. Have you filed a media request like the rest of the media?
I'm not going in a court building.
You don't.
I'm not going in the courtroom.
You are in the building.
That's only for in the courtroom, not in the public area.
File a media request or leave the building.
I'm in a public area.
You're not allowed in the building.
Can I get your name, please?
We're going to make it easier.
Can I get your name, please?
We're either going to leave the building.
Can I get your name, please, if you're going to ask me to leave?
My name is Tammy Bates.
Tammy Bates? And
Yes,
what's your
sir.
position here, Tammy
I'm the
Bates?
court administrator of the district court.
And you're refusing me my First Amendment rights inside the public area of the court building.
Because you are causing a disturbance. So if you are causing a disturbance in a public building, you may be asked to leave.
And how is I causing this disturbance?
I just told you, you are making the employees here nervous of your appearance.
Okay, because
Please leave.
okay, so this is
Please leave.
okay. So they're nervous of my
Please
appearance. So
leave.
this is very
Please
racist.
leave.
I will leave.
Please leave.
When can I come back in?
You can't unless you have court business.
I have court business. It's called my First Amendment.